Assalamu alaikum students. I'm Zahra Hashmi and I'll be teaching you social studies. Today our lesson 1 is about unit number 1, Rafi's family. Look at this picture. There's a happy family and look at the table. There's a cake and a boy is cutting the cake. It seems like a very beautiful happy family and we're going to learn about this family. Why don't you open your book? This is Word Watch book and we're going to read page number 2 from this book. So please open your book and read along with me. Unit number 1, Rafi's family. Birthday boy. Indeed, it's a birthday. And Rafi is the birthday boy. It is Rafi's birthday and he is 6 years old. This lady must be the mummy. Of course, Mama. Mama is Rafi's mother. And as you know, it's birthday, so everybody is giving Rafi a gift. She gives him a shirt. This gentleman must be the father. Exactly. Baba is Rafi's father. He gives Rafi a bat and a ball. Lovely present. This young lady must be the sister. Tanya. Tanya is Rafi's big sister and she gives him a book. Very good present. A nice read is better than anything. Now, this young boy, he must be the younger brother. Zhen. Zhen is Rafi's little brother. And I'm wondering what he has given him. Oh, very sweet. He gives Rafi a hug. What a nice gift. And this old man must be the grandfather. Dada. Dada is Baba's father. And what Dada gave? Look at the picture. It's wrapped. So what Dada gave is a surprise. And we don't know about it. But we'd like to know about it, isn't it? But for this, we'll have to read the next page. And that we'll do, inshallah, in the next lesson. If I sum up, look at this. We've learned about Rafi's family tree. There's Dada, Dadi, Baba, Mama, big sister Tanya, and younger brother, little brother, Zhen. This is Rafi's family and his family tree. Can you make your own family tree? Think about it. And if you have any questions about this lecture, anything, you can email me and ask me all those questions. And we will read about the surprise in the next lecture. Have a good day.